What's going on, guys? We're coming at you with some Omni Fireworks LIDU Coconut Symphony. 9-shot, little 200-gram cake. We got a performance right here. Again, the name is Coconut Symphony. So, purple coconut, white flash with white flash mine, orange coconut, green flash, red and green crackling. Now, is that flash like all flash mine? I don't know. Let's see. But we'll look on the inside here real quick. There you go. 9-shotters. Again, this is from Omni Fireworks, LIDU Fireworks, Coconut Symphony. I got this from Bada Boom Fireworks out of Lake CPA. If you're interested, let's check it out. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Comments down below. And I'll see you in a couple seconds. The Coconut Symphony. That is a nice mine. That was very bright.